Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to log in into Facebook page. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app and your Facebook ID, then log in into Facebook page. Okay, just tap on menu and this profile is Facebook page profile. Just tap and log in into Facebook page. Then switch to short types, this Facebook page name short types. Okay, then easy, and try another way. Just tap on double click this menu option. Okay, try, then double click and switch to Facebook page to log in into Facebook page. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.